Okay, so today we have a question on specific heat capacity. The question says the mean change in temperature of the castor oil is 20 degrees C. The specific heat capacity of the castor oil is 1800 joules per kilogram degrees Celsius. And the mass of the oil used is 0.025 kilograms. And it says to calculate the change in thermal energy of the castor oil that the student has used. And it tells us use the correct equation from the physics equation sheet. And it also says select the correct unit from the box. So this question, you can see, is for 3 marks. So we're going to get 3 marks for 2 marks for the calculation, giving us the correct answer, and then 1 mark for the correct unit. So we need to identify what we have and what we need to find. That way we can determine what equation we're going to need. So they've given us a change in temperature of 20 degrees C. Yes, we have change in temperature. We have a specific heat capacity of 1800 joules per kilogram degrees Celsius. And lastly, we're also given the mass of the oil, which is 0.025 kilograms. And looking at those, I can see that they're all in their standard units, so I don't need to do any unit changes. I then need to look at what are they asking me to find, which is the change in thermal energy. So you can look at what equation has thermal energy and links mass, specific heat capacity, and a change in temperature. So I'll start with my first line here, stating that equation, which is energy, or E, equals mass times specific heat capacity, given the letter C, and the change in temperature, which is delta theta. Remember, the triangle is a change in delta, so a change in temperature. So that's our equation. Now we can just substitute the numbers we have. So they've given us the mass, which is 0.025 kilograms, multiplied by the specific heat capacity, which is 1800 joules per kilogram degrees Celsius. Lastly, multiplied by the change in temperature, which they've given us as 20 degrees C. So multiplying that all together, we get an answer of 900 joules. Now the last bit is asking us to find the correct unit. So now I've kind of given that already by saying that the unit is in joules. We know that because it's referring to energy. So energy is measured in joules. Newtons is a measurement for force and volt is a measurement for potential difference. So the correct answer is joule. And there you go.